What's going on, guys? Jake Tiesler here with the latest Mustang and automotive news. I've got some amazing new dyno numbers from the Hellion twin turbo kit, the sleeper kit that is. It's got the 62, 66 turbos. This is on 91 octane on a 2018 Mustang GT. So what do you guys think this car is going to make? 2018 Mustang GT, 91 octane fuel, 9.5 pounds of boost with the base 62, 66 turbos. You can get this kit on Hellion's website for $6,399, I believe, for the 2015 through 2017s, or I believe it's $6,500 for the 2018s. Okay, 91 octane, 2018 Mustang on 9.5 pounds of boost, stock fuel system. What do you think, guys? Look at this. Look how clean this is. He's got some boost activated exhaust dumps. The turbos sit right underneath the engine here. I mean, this is just a super slick setup, in my opinion. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's externally gated. It dumps that exhaust to the atmosphere. I wish they had an option where you can pay for them to plumb it back in there, because if you really want a sleeper and you actually want to hear those turbos spool up a little bit more, you know, I haven't ran this kit, so I don't know, but in my experience, I prefer the sound of the exhaust going through the tailpipes and just hearing the motor separate and the turbo separate and the exhaust coming out of the rear, instead of it just kind of dispersing randomly under the car and it's just like a big loud noise going down the street. I prefer to have kind of a tone to the exhaust. Anyways, I'm nitpicking. So these are boost actuated dumps. Once you get so much pressure into, I think that's the way these work, I'm assuming, is once you get enough pressure into the exhaust system, they open. I'm not sure if it's boost related to the manifold pressure, or I wouldn't think so. I would assume it's back pressure in the exhaust, but I don't know. I've never seen those before, but that's pretty cool. This is the sleeper kit. This is the This is the intake. So this is boost going from the turbos through the intercooler back up, and they've routed it into the intake manifold through. It's hidden, so it's supposed to look like it's the factory airbox, but it's not. It's just made to look like that. That's the twin turbo. That's the sleeper kit. So power numbers: 809 wheel horsepower on 91 octane, 9.5 pounds of boost. What is going on? Is this even real? Is this real life right now? Here's the custom exhaust. You can check it out here. So I haven't watched this video. It's 43 seconds. But let's see what this is. I guess we're going to get to hear the car on the dyno. Okay, so it is making, this is torque, I believe here. This is your torque. I want to see where it makes max torque at. And it looks like the turbos are coming on somewhere around here maybe. It's hard to really tell though. I wish you could see. Is this boost pressure or is this air fuel? So I'm assuming, it's hard to tell. I guess that I can't tell from this, but I want to know when these turbos come on, because I would like to get the kit for my car one day. But it looks like you're making a whole lot of power, and it's going all the way across the board. And you're making all the torque at 4,000. You're making quite a bit of it at 3,500. So you're making a little bit less torque than you are at, say, 5,000, but you're still getting a lot of it at 3,500. And it's not a big, huge jump, so it looks like the turbos kind of come in probably not as hard as the 55s, but so there it is. There's the 809 pull. They ran it up to about 7,800 RPMs, it looks like, something like that. Engine RPM 7,300. It's making 809. That's incredible numbers on the stock bottom end, stock fuel system. On 91 pump. Crazy. Whoa! Whoa! Bass tune, baby. Alright guys, so I just wanted to put up this quick video and update you guys with the latest numbers. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will keep you updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news. And check this stuff out on Mustang6G.com. It's under the forced induction section, and this guy's name is Ariso 94Z28. I'm assuming he doesn't have a 94Z28 anymore, or he does and he just got a new Mustang. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.